just a little bit today. I gotta sneeze like every 5 seconds. It's torture. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christen Dominique. Welcome to my little home on YouTube. Cue the rainbow. Today is gonna be such a cool video. Basically, Benefit asked if I'd like to do this campaign where I give back to my mentor from high school and try out their new Cheekleader palettes, which I am so excited about. I'm really excited because I get to go travel back to Houston, Texas, my hometown, surprise my mentor with a total of $15,000. I'm just like, am I in heaven? I don't know. Is this what heaven looks like? So I vlogged the whole thing and I'm gonna show you guys everything behind the scenes, and a super big thank you to Benefit for partnering up with me in this video, giving me the opportunity to give back to someone that has touched so many lives, that's an inspiring individual that has done so much, and I am so grateful for this. And if you wanna see all that, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad fam. The quad. Oh my god, I'm not flexible anymore. And without further ado, let's get into this video. We're primed, the primers that I used today. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about this experience that I just had. This is a really crazy story. It was kind of like a meant to be situation. Using the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Foundation. I don't like the way it comes out of here, but I do like the product. So listen to what happened. Let me just tell you guys what happened. I was talking to my friend from back home. We were DMing through Snapchat, and she works at the school that we used to go to. She was like, do you remember Mr. Winters, our dance teacher, our dance and step instructor? And I was like, how can I forget? You know, he was amazing, and he inspired me so much to like continue to do what I love doing, which was dance and step, even though I was like very discouraged because of the situations that were put in front of me. But he kept me going through everything that I had a passion for. I was like, oh my god, Mr. Winters, like tell him I said hi. And she was like, yeah, we're looking through all our old pictures from like the dance team. Crazy. Okay, after this conversation, I got an email from Benefit asking me if I wanted to do this amazing opportunity where I could give back to somebody that was a mentor in my life or made a big difference in my life in high school. So right away, I immediately thought, oh my gosh, Mr. Winters. I feel like it was meant to be, like the conversation with my friend Kathy, the email with Benefit, all of it was just put in the right place at the right time. It was meant to be. So for this opportunity, I would be flying down back to my hometown, revisiting my old high school, going to surprise my mentor with a $10,000 donation to any organization that they feel strongly about, and $5,000 for them to just personally use, thing they would like, a vacation, whatever they want to use it for. So Mr. Winters actually created all of the spirit teams, from the marching band to the dance team, color guard, step team. He created all of those. That was not there before for Milby High School, and he created them. I am gonna show you guys some clips from the vlog. I'm gonna be getting ready still, so I might be a little further than where I'm at right now. By the time you get back to me, I may be full beat, so you never know. But I want you guys to check out this vlog. I started in my hotel room, I think. I don't know, here it goes. So we just got to Houston. I just got in my hotel room and I'm so excited about this trip. It's really special. I look crazy because I just got off the plane. I'm gonna go take a shower, get ready for the day. It's pretty rainy outside right now in Houston. It's very gloomy and rainy. We're staying downtown. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and start the rest of my day. Okay, you guys, so Mr. Winters is the instructor that we're going to visit today. He puts in so much time and effort into these kids and pushing them, motivating them to do and be their best. And I just wanna give back to him because he's an amazing teacher. Alright you guys, so I'm here at Milby. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, this is my friend Kathy. She's my good friend from high school. We met on that dance team with Miss. We didn't even know, but look at us. What? We came as twins today.
How does that happen?
How does that even happen? Because we're meant to be. That's why.
Forever and ever.
Forever and ever. So this is definitely new. They did not have a dance studio. They had literally a tiny room for us to practice in. So now that they have this whole area, I am literally shook, you guys. This is so different. It's so much nicer. Crazy. Okay. So you guys, I just met these super cute girls right here from Milby. These are our friends. You guys, I met the cutest girls today. My friends from Milby.
for a special surprise for Mr. Val Keith winners. If you can come to the stage. Yes, if you could have a seat in the chair for me, please. You're not in trouble.
The best lesson Mr. Winners has taught me is no matter how hard and tough things get, you can do it and you will fight through it.
My name is Christen Dominique from class of 2004.
Mr. Winners, you have been my personal cheerleader, and for me, I personally think that your motivation in helping me with my confidence and to never stop or give up has helped me be a successful businesswoman and entrepreneur. And on behalf of Benefit and myself, we would like to honor you with a donation of $10,000, personal check of $5,000 for a He is posing.
Last time we was able to get the instruments fixed or repaired was in 2007. So what she just did was a blessing.
Say thank you one, two, three.
The step team were performing this one step that I still remember, and I was doing it, I was showing Caesar the other day, and he actually got to see like a whole team perform it, and it was so cool to see that they're still doing that one specific routine. Step team is almost like getting into a sorority. You have to learn the Greek alphabet, you have to train, and before you go in, like you have to pass all these tests in order to get into the step team. We had a creed that we had to shout, and it was about perseverance and fighting through, and it was about stepping outside of your comfort zone. All of that whole process, and the team that I was on was called Vivace, and they had Forte, the boys were Forte, and it was just, everybody was so close-knit, and we just kind of went through this training together. I feel like we just became more confident and just better people. I became so much more confident in everything that I loved to do. I wasn't shy about it. Like, I loved to do it, but I was so shy. After leaving there, I loved to do what I did, and I was proud, and I wanted to show the world. Kudos to Mixer Winners for starting this whole spirit team. Now they've evolved to these beautiful dancers. Their technique is beautiful. The pirouettes, the arabesques, the leaps, everything is just so nicely done. You can tell they have an amazing instructor. All right, so we are fiery and orange. Put on some lashes. So this whole campaign ties in perfectly because it ties into Benefit's new cheek palettes. This is the Cheekleader Pink Squad and the Cheekleader Bronze Squad. I personally, I don't know, I like both, but I think the Bronze Squad is definitely my favorite palette from the two, but I still like both a lot. So I'm just gonna go into them and I'm gonna show you what you get. So you get Hoola. This is a new highlight. It's called Tickle. It's so gorgeous. It's like pink and gold. It has like a gold ship to it. It's really pretty. I was loving the bronze palette because of the new Hoola color. This is Hoola Caramel, and it has the original Hoola in it. It has Coralista. This is a new highlight called Cookie. And this is what I wore in the video, and a little bit of Gold Rush. Was super surprised to see that they had a big size Hoola. Let me just show you. You can contour with this, you bronze with it, and it's so big, like you can fit a brush really nice and comfy inside. And then they have the Hoola Toasted, which is a new Hoola shade. It has more red tones to it. I'm gonna do the normal Hoola from the bronze palette. It's more of a cool tone kind of bronzer. So I like to just bronze right under the cheekbone like that with this. And I'm gonna go right around the temple. Take my little brush right here from Morphe. It's the E62. And just contour a little bit. We are snatched. So I'm gonna go into Hoola Caramel. I love this orangey color. It's gonna look really good with our orangey eyeshadow, but I'm so happy that they extended their bronze shades because sometimes I like a more neutral, cool tone bronze, but then other times I really like a warm, fiery bronze, and they have a really good formula, so I really happy about that. I'm gonna go with Dandelion in the Pink Squad palette for my blush. Just want something a little more cooler for the apple of the cheek. I like mixing cool tone and warm tones when it comes to my face. I feel like when you put them together, they really balance out the entire look. You're not too much of one or the other. For the highlights, because I used Cookie a lot while I was in Houston, I'm gonna go ahead and use Tickle because Tickle is so, first of all, the name is cute, and then the color is just so beautiful. So I'm gonna go in with my highlight brush. I think this palette is really good for a dance team to have because you have a little bit of everything that you need to like really shine and catch the eyes of like your audience. Well, there were some really talented dancers there too, and they were really into makeup, so I think they would really love it. After I do this highlight, which is so beautiful, wow, I'm gonna spritz my face with the Beauty Blender Redo. Turns all my makeup into skin again. For the lips, I'm gonna be using the Dominique Cosmetics New Cream Matte Lips in Nude Kiss. And I feel like with this one, you don't even need a lip liner. It has that warmth to it, so where you really don't need that extra definition. I love this nude lip. It's not just because I made it, but I really love it because I feel like a lot of people say that make their stuff, but it's because they know that this is what was missing in the market, you know what I mean? So I'm really happy about this lip because it has enough warmth to add definition to the lip line and a nude color in the middle of the lip without it being like bam, I'm brown or too much of this color or the other. It's just perfect. I love this nude. Anyways, you guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and chatting. Will always be a Texan girl in my heart. I was born and raised there. I will be there for life. In my heart, I'm a country girl. I want to say a big thank you to Milby High School for letting us come to the school and allowing us to put on this surprise for Mr. Winners. I want to say thank you to the Spirit team, to the Charlie's Angel dance team, Vavache and Forte, the marching band. You guys put on such a beautiful, amazing show of all Mr. Winner's favorite performances, and I think that that was so special, and I think we really made Mr. Winners feel special, and that was my whole goal, and we just want to honor him for being such an amazing individual with such passion. And I want to say thank you, Mr. Winners, for inspiring such a passion in my interest and talents and persevering through all the hardships. So thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is such a beautiful moment that I don't know if anything could top this yet. It was such a special, memorable moment. I feel like I have skin, like extra skin on this part of my lip, but thankfully, thanks to Dominique Cosmetics, we will no longer have that after I take it off. Hold on. I sound like a commercial, but you know, it's true. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up sign. Also, let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I have been wanting to do them more often. I think I even want to revive my vlog channel again and start doing that. So let me know how you liked it if you want to see more. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys. And if you haven't seen this video or this video, check it out. It will be there for you to watch. And that's it. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video.